Do you understand English, but when it's time to speak, your mind freezes? You know the words, but the sentence just doesn't come out. That's because the problem isn't your vocabulary, it's your thinking system. If that sounds familiar, stay with me until the end and repeat the exercises. Let's solve this problem together. How can you start thinking in English? How can you stop translating every sentence in your head at first? To do this, you need to train your brain to work in English directly. Once you do, your speaking will become more fluent, your reactions will speed up, and you'll sound more natural without forcing yourself. In this episode, I want to help you train your brain to think in English using simple words and easy expressions. At the end, I'll share a simple mental technique that can completely change the way you learn. It's small, but very powerful. Now let's move on to the practical part. I'll show you 5 powerful techniques you can start using today. They're simple, real, and easy to apply every day. First technique, describe your surroundings. This is one of the easiest ways to start thinking in English. Wherever you are, name the things around you in English. If you're walking on the street, say in your mind, I am walking down the street. The sky is gray. I see a bus. A man is crossing the road. If you're at home, do the same thing. I am making coffee. I am opening the window. I am sitting on the sofa. These small descriptions give you stress-free practice. If you don't know a word, it's okay. Look it up later. Write it down somewhere. Next time you see that object, your brain will recall it faster. This builds automatic thinking. Second technique, talk through your day in your mind. Your brain is already thinking, just switch the language. In the morning, say to yourself, today I will finish some tasks. I will call my friend. I will practice English in the evening. At night, review your day in English. I finished the tasks. I watched a video. I made dinner. Keep it simple. Perfect grammar is not needed. The goal is flow. Third technique, make visual connections. This is a very powerful technique. Instead of translating objects, link them directly to their English words. See a phone, think phone. See a door, think door. Don't put anything in between. Do this with everything: table, keys, shoes, bag, window, tree. The more you do it, the more your brain rewires. After a while, English will become your first reaction, not second. Fourth technique, do shadowing. This is one of the fastest ways to break the translation habit. Shadowing means listening and repeating at the same time. Find a short audio, a podcast, or a video. Listen carefully and repeat immediately. Don't analyze, don't translate, just follow the sound. Copy the rhythm, speed, and emotion. It's like echoing in real time. At first, it will be hard. That's normal. Your brain is learning a new rhythm, but after a few days, something amazing happens. You start understanding and speaking faster with less thinking. Even 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. Fifth technique, use English in simple daily activities. No special time needed. Use everyday moments. While walking, describe the weather. The air is clean. The sun is warm. I hear birds singing. When cooking, make sentences. I am chopping vegetables. The soup smells good. I am adding spices. When cleaning, do the same. I'm folding the clothes. I'm wiping the table. These small thoughts naturally train your brain like a child learning. Now let's turn everything into a simple system. Here's a 4-step daily plan. Morning activation. After waking up, stay calm for a minute. Before checking your phone, think in English. I want to be productive today. I will finish an important task. Later, I will practice English. This sets the tone. Conscious observation during the day. Look and name things, people, and actions throughout the day. Turn normal moments into English thinking. Practice stress-free. Listening and shadowing. Pick a short audio and repeat along. Don't aim for perfection, focus on rhythm. This step improves real-time processing skills. Night reflection. Before sleeping, close your eyes and recall your day in English. This morning I was busy. I wrote emails. I watched something interesting. I learned new words. This quiet reflection strengthens memory. If you do this every day, changes will come faster than you expect. At first, only small parts of your thinking will be in English. That's normal. The process grows slowly. 10% turns to 20, then 40. And one day, you'll feel something amazing. You'll start thinking in English without realizing it. Your reactions will speed up. Conversations will feel easier. Words will come naturally. And that moment feels incredible. Remember, thinking in English is not a talent, it's a learned skill. Anyone can develop it. Be gentle with yourself during the process. Mistakes are not failures, they are proof your brain is growing. Every small attempt builds confidence. And now, the technique I promised at the beginning. Here's a small but super powerful method. Every day, at any time, turn all your thoughts into English for just 1 minute. For example, I am baking bread. The door is opening. Simple, everyday actions are enough. Rules are simple. Don't translate. Mistakes don't matter. Flow is key, not grammar. The result is amazing. Your brain will start thinking in English automatically. After 1-2 weeks, this small English snap will become your default thinking mode. Together with shadowing and visual connections, your fluency will speed up and speaking will feel more natural. It's small, but very powerful. Start applying it now, just 1 minute. But the result will be incredible. Keep going. Stay curious. Trust the process. If you have questions or ideas, leave them in the comments. Thank you for spending time with me. Keep training your brain, keep listening, and most importantly, keep thinking in English. See you in the next episode.